Hi, everybody. We're going to go ahead and do the Z.2. I'm finally going to model the polynomials with algebra tiles. I have not previewed this, so it's a total surprise. I hope it's fun. Here it is. Let's take a look. So, they want me to write the polynomial for this. Well, we can see they kind of organized it nice. And we've got 9x squareds here, don't we? 9x squareds. There's 8, and then there's one more down there. And then I also have one green x that you see here. That thing is an x by 1 unit. And then those little yellow units, there's 3 units. So there's my polynomial that's modeled there. So we put all our terms together, and I'll just get rid of this. I'll just type it in. We get 9x squareds plus x plus 3. That's all. Just a trinomial. Okay, so this time we have an x squared. Hopefully you can see it, the blue one there. And then we've got 5 x's, 5 green x's. Oh, got to go down to the base level. There we go. And then we have plus 1. That's it. For those of you who have any negatives, I don't know if they're going to have us model negatives. Anyway, we have 7x squareds there. 7x squareds, you can see them, they're blue. And I have 2 x's plus 2 x's. And then I have 3, but then I've got 4 more over there, so 7 units. Okay, so we've got 4x squared. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 9 x's. I'm going to see if I can put a dot in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Plus 9 x's, 9 green x's, and 5 plus 5. That's all. Pretty easy. We have 8x squareds. 8x squareds. Those are the blue ones. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's plus 6 green x's plus 6 yellow units. Kind of orangish yellow. Okay, now we've got 3x squareds. You can see those. Those are the blue ones. And the green ones, it looks like I've got 5 and 3 more makes 8 x's, 8 green x's plus 3. This time I've got 3x squareds plus 2x, 2 green x's plus 3, 9, 10. 10. This one's going to be 2x squared. And then we've got 4 and 6 makes 10 x's. That's the green ones, plus 5 yellow units. Now we have some negative x's. So the red ones are the negative x's. So we've got 7 blue x squareds. And luckily they labeled them for us. There are 3. I'm going to get my dot so I can count them a little better. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 more makes minus 10. Minus. Oh, dang it, I submitted it. I hate it when that happens. Yeah, I know. Okay. Dang it. Instead of the space, I put the submit. All right, let me count them. That's what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x plus 1. Darn it. 7x plus 1. I hate it when that happens. All right, I'm going to go a little faster now. 6x squared. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9x plus 9x plus 7. Okay, this time we have a negative x squared. They like using the reds for the negatives. And we've got some positive x's here. I'm going to count them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 x's. So it's plus 8 positive x's. And then I have minus 5, 8, minus 8. Don't forget to put the space for your subtraction. And there we go. Looks like we have an x squared. And we got minus 4x. And we have plus 4. That's all. And we've got 3x squared minus 4x. Oh, got to go down to that level. Come on. There we go. Looks like plus 3. I'm going to erase these just so you can see it better. There we go. All negative. So negative 4x squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 negative x's. That's minus 6x. Be careful and put some spaces in there. And I need to space them out. Looks like we have 9, 10, minus 10. There it is. All negative. All right. Looks like we have 7x squared. We have 3 negatives and then 4 more, which makes 7 negative x's. And then we have, come on. Looks like we've got 6, 7, 8, minus 8. Just got to count them. Just have to be careful we count them correctly. All right, we've got 5x squared. Those are the blue ones. Come on. 5x squareds. And it looks like we've got some subtractions here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. So it's minus 9x and 3. Minus 3. Okay, so we've got 5x squared. That's positive. And it looks like we have, quite a few. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's. Plus 10 x's. And then minus 9. We've got 4x squared. Those are positive because they're blue. And looks like we got minus 6x. And there's no units. So we have negative 9x squared. And quite a few x's. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 x's. And they're positive. And we have a plus 1. That's it. This time we have negative 7x squared. And we've got 8x plus 8x. The x's are green, and that's it. We've got negative 3x squared. Looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x minus 7x. And plus 5. And we've got some more, just a few more. Okay, positive x squared. So it looks like we have 9 of them. And we have 4 minus 4x. And we have minus 4. 8x squared. Come on. 8x squared plus 4x. They're green, so they're positive, minus 1. Don't forget your spaces, just in case. Sometimes they don't like it if you don't put spaces in there. So we have 8x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, we've got minus 4x squared. We have a plus 1x, which is just x. And we have a minus 1. That's all. Okay, so it looks like we've got 10x squared, and they're negative. We have 6, 7, 8 x's. And minus 4 units. They're negative units there because they're red. Red is negative. Okay, looks like we have 10x squared, and they're negative. We have 4x's, and they're negative. And we have plus 7. Oh, there it is. And looks like a couple more, maybe 2 or 3. 5x squared minus 1, 2, 3. You know what? I like to put a little dot on them. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8x. And that looks like that's it. There's no units. And maybe 2 more, maybe 1 more. 10x squared. There's 10 of them, yeah. And there are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's. And they're positive as well. That's all. And we have one last one, and then we're done. Okay, so it looks like we have 9x squared. We have positive x's, it looks like 5 of them. And we have a minus 1. And that is it. It looks like we're done. And I hope you'll try yours and get your mastery. Bye, guys. See you next time.